Hi guys, welcome to Mom Ziva's Talk, a special podcast made to improve on the weakness of children, youth, and family life. Wow. As parents, getting the best out of children and youth in today's world can be quite challenging. We all know that. That's why I'm going to be sharing with you weekly on the strategies for overcoming the challenges we face in building children, youth, and a better family living. Please do endeavor to check out new episodes every week on Mom Ziva's Talk. Thank you. So today we are going to be talking on the topic navigating communication challenges in blended families. Navigating communication challenges in blended families. This is a very, very broad topic, but I am going to make it as concise and brief as possible so that we all could enjoy it. All right, so let's go. Blended families. Who are blended families? Okay, we know, most of us will already know blended families, but blended families are becoming increasingly common, all right? With many families navigating the challenges of step-parenting, co-parenting, complex family dynamics. Communication is essential in any family, okay? But it can be particularly challenging in blended families. Here are some tips for navigating communication challenges in blended families. All right, so number one, practice active listening. Most people don't understand what is active listening, all right? But active listening is a very, very good act where you have to listen for someone to say whatever he wants to say and address the person by his words. And maybe that person wants to, you want to jot down something, you allow the person know that you want to jot down something, giving attention to that person to express him or herself. All right. So practice active listening. Listening is one of the most important skills in effective communication. When someone is speaking, give them your full attention. Try to understand their perspective. Okay, ask clarifying questions and summarize what they have said to ensure that you understood their own point of view. Number two, set clear expectation. Communication works best when everyone understands their expectations. Okay, establish clear guidelines of how communication will take place in family, including what topics are open for discussion, how conflicts can be resolved, and how often communication will take place. Number three, be respectful. Respect the foundation of any successful relationship is the foundation. Treat each other with respect, even when you disagree. Avoid using inflammatory languages and focus on finding common ground. All right? Be respectful to your husband. Be respectful to your wife. Everyone deserves respect. Respect is not only for one party. All right. Number four is use I statement. When expressing your thoughts and feelings, use I statement. Use I instead of you statement. For example, instead of saying you never listen to me, say I never feel unheard when I speak and I would like to be heard. Consider family therapy. Family therapy can be helpful for addressing communication challenges in blended family. A trained therapist can help you identify underlying issues, learn communication strategies, and improve your family dynamics. Okay, so be flexible. Flexibility is very critical in blended families, especially when it comes to communication. Be open to changing the approach if it's not working. For example, if family meetings are not productive, consider having one-on-one conversation instead. And I believe when you do this, it's going to help you. Thank you so much. We'll see you next.